This is a video that's going to show you how to update the website for your sponsor logo and or add or delete sponsor logos from your sponsor gallery. So your sponsor gallery appears two different places, here at the bottom of your homepage and also on the sponsor page itself. These are both the same gallery, so you're only updating one time and then both locations will be updated automatically. So if you're ready to add a new sponsor, take a sponsor off, or make an adjustment to a website for a sponsor, you want to come down under your Not Linked section and click on the Sponsor Logo Gallery. Once you're in here, you see the fixtures for all of your sponsor logos. Now, adding a sponsor logo is very simple. Just like any of the other galleries, you're going to click on the arrow, you're going to find the photo on your computer that you want to add and click open. And then it's going to pop in that new logo. Very simple. Now, changing the website that the logo is linked to just requires you to use your cogwheel here that you get when you hover over the logo. So in this case, I'm going to hover over the Allstate logo and click on the cogwheel. And here I get some information about the photo. If I come over to the Options tab, I see my little click through your URL box. I'm going to click in the box. For a new logo, this would be blank. But for an existing logo, you could go in and change the website address. Now, one quick note here. This required a little bit of coding to ensure that the links opened in a new window. So at the end of any link that you add, you will want to add these letters here at the end of the link. So it's a quotation mark, the word target equals quotation mark underscore blank. It's just a little internet hack to make sure that the link opens in a new window. My suggestion would be that you copy and paste this text from the training guide and just have that handy once you put in your new external website. And if you have any problems with that, please let me know. Once you're done editing the site, you just simply click on Save and your logo has been updated and again will update in both gallery locations.